Simply, when they told me some minutes ago, I start crying and I cannot believe it because I grew up. My father used to give me like a present videotapes from MotoGP and from Dakar. And every day when I was child coming back from school, I was looking always this videotape, rolling. And when I grew up, maybe too much for MotoGP, then I start to believe it and I made it happen. I want to race in MotoGP. Then with my body was not possible anymore to be competitive, so I said, okay, we'll try the Dakar. But sincerely, I didn't expect to win a stage. And yeah, I wanted to leave the mark in the motorsport. And today I made it. And I still cannot believe it. I so thankful for all the people that helped me during my career, my life, my family especially. We made a lot of sacrifices to be in the MotoGP world, and sincerely I cannot have a lot of words because I have to realize what's going on.
Yeah, stage today was pretty good. We made one big mistake and it's going to cost us a little bit today, but yeah, all in all we got through fairly safe and missed a couple little drops, but yeah, we're excited for day 5 being done.
Hit my head and really hurt my neck and shoulder searching for one waypoint in the stones, so yeah, I was more or less in survival mode today and just trying not to lose too much time. And then the last part in the dunes I started to get in quite a nice rhythm, so I pushed a bit, but yeah, all day was a bit rough, honestly.
Well, stage not very good. Start okay, but then we broke a damper and then we lost quite a lot of time. We wait for Stefan and Stefan gave me his damper, so thank you to him.